In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Payhip. Whether you're a seasoned Payhip user or a newbie, understanding how to access your earnings is crucial. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to ensure you can smoothly transfer your funds when needed. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Payhip homepage. This is your central hub where you can manage all aspects of your Payhip account. Once you're on your homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see the Account button. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with various options for managing your account details. Next, from the drop-down menu, locate and click on Settings. This is where all the configuration options for your account are housed. It's like the control center for your Payhip operations, where you can tweak and adjust your settings to suit your preferences. Now, once you're in the settings page, look for the payment details section and click on it. This is the crucial step where you'll set up how you get paid. Your payment details page is where you can specify the financial accounts that Payhip will use to send you your hard-earned money. Once you're on the payment details page, you'll see options for different accounts available for withdrawals. These could include bank accounts or online payment systems like PayPal or Stripe. Carefully select the account you wish to use for withdrawing your funds. It's important to ensure that the details you provide are accurate to avoid any issues with receiving your payments. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to set up your withdrawal preferences with ease. It's always a good idea to double-check your settings to make sure everything is correct. And remember, if you encounter any issues or have specific questions, Payhip's customer support is a great resource for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in making your Payhip experience smoother and more efficient. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Until next time, happy selling.